I'm going to show you how to hide your last seen and online status on WhatsApp. So if you want to keep your WhatsApp private, that means you don't want to know when you don't want people to know when you are online, and you don't want people to know when last you came online. Make sure you watch this video to the end and like this video so that YouTube can suggest this video to people like you who needs it. Now, before I go ahead with this video, please make sure you have subscribed to this channel for more important updates, because I drop important updates on this channel, more important tech updates every day on this channel. So what we are going to do is very simple. Under 2 minutes I will show you how to do it. Very simple. Go to your WhatsApp. When you come to your WhatsApp, you tap on these 3 lines here. Make sure you tap on these 3 lines here. You tap on settings. Then you scroll to privacy. You can see privacy here. So what I'll just do is I'll just tap on privacy and tap on this last seen and online here. Then tap on nobody. You can see it. Who can see my last seen? You set it to nobody. Then who can see when I am online? You set it to same as last seen. So with this, no one will see when last you came online and when you are online on WhatsApp. So if you find this video to be helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.